Bismillah. Today I'm gonna teach you exercise number 4.3, question number 8. In this question, we can see that we can break this midterm and we can break this midterm. After breaking midterm, we will take common. After taking common, we will take square. So let's start our question. 3 2 6, 2 1 2 3. So 2x square 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 plus 3 under root 2x plus 1 is equal to 12 to the 24 under root 2x square plus x plus 24x plus 12. Further, under root 2x is common, x is left minus 2 3s are 6 and x is common plus 1 x minus 3 plus 3 under root 2x plus 1 is equal to under root x is common, 2x plus 1 is left plus 12 is common, 12 2s are 24 x as it is plus 12 1s are 12. Now further, x minus 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 are factor plus 3 under root 2x plus 1 is equal to under root 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 12. Now we can see that 2x plus 1 under root under 2x plus 1 under 2x plus 1 is common. So we will take common. What we will take common? Under root 2x plus 1. What is left? Under root x minus 3 plus 3 under root plus 3, 2x plus 1 is common, is equal to under root x plus 12. One step is missing. We will do one step. Under 2x, what we will do? Under root 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 plus 3 under root 2x plus 1. This under cos will take in the right side minus under root 2x plus 1 into x plus 12. Now plus 3 and minus x plus 2 is common, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. We can see that this is first term, this is second term, these two terms are in the left side and these are in the right side. This right side term will take in the left side and positive sign becomes negative sign. And what is left here? 0 is left. So we can see that 2 under 2x plus 1 is common, under 2x plus 1 is common, under 2x plus 1 is common in all of these three terms. So we'll put under 2x plus 1 outside, and what is left? Under root x minus 3 is left, plus 3 as it is, minus under 2x plus 1 is common, under root x plus 12 is left. So first of all, what we will do? We will take under 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next time we will put under root x plus x minus 3 plus 3 minus under x plus 12 is equal to 0. So under root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next time under root x minus 3 plus 3 minus under root x plus 12 equal to 0. Now what we will do? We will taking square on both sides, taking square 2x plus 1 under root square is equal to 0 square. So 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we will do? 2x plus 1, positive sign become negative sign when take in the right side. 2 divided by both sides, but we will x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is left. Now under root x minus 3. Under root x minus 3 plus 3 as it is, will take in the right side. Minus become positive sign. So taking square under root x minus 3 plus 3 square is equal to under root x plus 12 square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. A plus b, this term is a, this is b. A square plus b square plus 2a into b. A into b is equal to x plus 12. Now 2 1 by 2 cancel. X minus 3 plus 3 3s are 9. 3 square 9 plus 2 3s are 6 under root x minus 3 is equal to x plus 12. Why we take common? We will take common because we want to eliminate this radical sign is this under root sign. So plus 3 and plus 9 minus 3 becomes x plus 6. So plus 6 under root x minus 3 is equal to x plus 12. Now 6 under root x minus 3 is equal to x plus 12. We'll take in the right side, positive x become negative x, thus 6 become negative 6. X and x cancel is equal to 6. 6 under root x minus 3 plus 12 minus 6 become 6. 6 and 6 cancel. Under root x minus 3 is equal to, divided by 6 both sides, but we get 1. Now taking square on both sides, again taking square. Under root x minus 3 square is equal to 1 square.